Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Imal Langal. In this video I'm going to show how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox in Windows 10. So at first guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. After that hit the bell icon so that you are connected with me. So let's leave this here. And to install the Kali Linux on VirtualBox in Windows 10 you have to download the VirtualBox at first. So you can download the VirtualBox from this link. I'll give this link on description, so no need to worry about it. um, First of all, you have to download the VirtualBox from these links. Um, my host operating system is Windows, so I'm downloading the VirtualBox for the Windows version. So after downloading the VirtualBox, you have to download the ISO file of Kali Linux. So you can download the ISO file of Kali Linux from this link. I'll give this link on the description, so no need to worry about it. Just download the ISO file from here. After downloading the VirtualBox in ISO file, you have to open the folder where we have kept the VirtualBox. Double click on that. After that, install the VirtualBox. Click on install. It may take some minutes, so wait until that. Okay, after the installation is completed, open the VirtualBox. Okay, after the VirtualBox is started, click on new. After that, type the operating system name. Okay, now choose the Linux type, and now click on next. Now you have to allocate the memory or RAM for the Kali Linux. So according to the capabilities of your PC, you can allocate as much as you can, but I recommend you to allocate at least 2 to 3 GB. So now I'm going to allocate 2 GB for my Kali Linux. So click on next. Create a virtual hard disk now. Create. Now click on next. Now choose the dynamically allocated and click on next. After that, you have to create the virtual partition for the Kali Linux. So you can allocate as much as you can, but I recommend you to allocate at least 20 GB for the Kali Linux. So I'm going to allocate 20 GB. Now click on create. Now click on settings. After that, click on advanced, and now choose bidirectional. Again, choose bidirectional. It will enable you to drag and drop, copy paste file between the host operating system and the Kali Linux. Now click on system. Now click on processor. Now you have to allocate the CPU for the Kali Linux. So don't you ever try to allocate above the screen mark. It may lead to crashing of host operating system. So I recommend you to allocate 2 to 3 CPU. So 3 CPU will be fine for the Kali Linux. Now click on display. Now you should give as much as video memory for the display. So this much will be sufficient. Now click on enable 3D acceleration. So after that, you have to click on storage. Now click on empty and click on this icon. After that, choose a virtual optical disk. Now add. So we should go to the folder where we have kept the Kali Linux ISO file. So I'm going to my folder and choosing this Kali Linux ISO file. Now click on open. Now click on choose. Okay, now it is done. Now click on OK. Okay, after this is done, click on start. Now this will start the installation of Linux. Now choose the graphical installation. Okay, now choose your language. Click on continue. After that, choose your country. So I'm leaving it as it is here. Now choose the uh, layout of keyboard. Wait until the additional components are loaded. Now type the host name. Now click on continue. Again click on continue. Okay, now you have to choose the password. After that, again click on continue. Now choose your region. uh, okay, now click on for the time zone. Now click on continue. Now click on the first option and click on continue again. Click on continue. After that, click on finish partitioning and write changes to the disk. Now the system is installing, so you have to wait until 10 minutes so that all the systems are successfully installed. Now leave it blank and click on continue. Now according to your requirement, you can choose the tools here, but I recommend you to leave it as it is and click on continue. Now the software will be installing, so wait until that. Make sure that you are connected to internet because the installer have to download some files for the installation of the Kali Linux. So connect your PC with the network. Now the downloading softwares are installing, so you have to wait for some minutes. Now click on S and after that click on continue. Now choose this one, the hard disk, virtual hard disk we have created. So now choose this one and click on continue. Now it is being installed, so wait for some minutes. Now the installation is completed, so click on continue. Okay, now the system is rebooting. Wait until it is loaded. Type your password, which you have just okay. Okay, type password here. It's username and it's password. Now you can see this Kali Linux is successfully installed, and you can switch to full screen mode from here. So hey guys, thank you for watching. I'll make such video. If you like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Jai Nepal.